was small, you took me out to see the world. The gentle hills, the rivers wide and clear. We threw a ball and laughed until the dusk. Your laughter still echoes in my ear. All the things I never said flow between the words unsaid. Time may fade, but hearts remain underneath the same old sky again. We're looking at the same sky, even miles apart. I still hear your voice inside my heart. Let's take another ride, just like yesterday. Someday soon we'll find our way. Now I bring my little ones to see the sea. They ask me where the stories came to be. I smile and say, from a man I used to know, whose hands taught me how to grow. All those paths we used to roam, I still call them my second home. Time may fade, but hearts remain underneath the same old sky again. You taught me how to stand my ground, how to listen to the quiet sound of gentle nights and simple truth. The way the world looked back in you. We're looking at the same sky, just a world apart. Your stories live inside my beating heart. So when the daylight fades, stars begin to blaze, I'll whisper thanks and drift away.